Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Perhaps it's your time of the month, ladies. I wanted to do a video all about my period essentials, things that I love for my menstrual cycle. I don't think I've ever done this video before, talking about all of my favorite period kind of hacks or just things that I really enjoy, or things that you need to get through, you know, that tough time of the month, because it's not always rainbows and butterflies. It gets real. So hopefully you are curious about my favorite things for my period for that time of month. If you are interested in learning what I love to use, keep on watching. Okay, so I have so many things. Like, it's actually currently my time of the month, so I had a really good time doing this. I just got inspired. I was like, all right, I picked up this, and this from the store. I should probably just make a video sharing it because I'm sure a lot of you guys would love to know. And these are even some products that I have discovered from watching videos online, so let's help each other. So the first product is this magical device that I most recently bought. I feel like my mom, my grandma, every person that was older in my life has a heating pad, and they always had one when I was a kid, and into my adult life I never bought one. And I'm obsessed with it. Like, it's not even funny how much I love this. So this is amazing for back pain and for cramps. I had originally bought this because I'm on Accutane right now. I'm getting a lot of backaches from the medication. So I had originally bought it for that. But it's even crazier how much lower back pain I get for my menstrual cycle every month. So I'll just plop this down, put it on high, lay back, read a book, watch a show, watch YouTube, and it just, oh my god, it relieves that lower back pain so much. And it's also great for cramps. Oh my gosh, just rest it on your lower stomach while you're watching a movie. It's so relieving somehow. I don't know what it is. And it's so simple. And it's so cheap. It's so great. I just love this so much. So I highly recommend investing in a heating pad for many points of your life. Some people also get like neck pain while they're on their menstrual cycle. I don't have that problem, but either way, that thing is great. Put it anywhere that you have any sort of like tension or muscle pain. Okay, so you guys know I am a huge fan of Diet Coke. It's a problem. We all know Alex drinks too much Diet Coke. Blah. I have cut down to one a day. Honestly, you can ask Alan. Okay, but on your menstrual cycle, caffeine does not help. It's actually proven to make your cramps worse, so I try to drink almost no caffeine, no Diet Coke, even though they have caffeine free. But drinking more water is really good. Water can be boring, so I'll buy like Crystal Light, something to kind of enhance my water. I drink a lot of lemon water, but I picked up this bottle at the store. It's just like a plain old glass bottle, and it has, I put lemons and strawberries in here. I love making fruit water. I used to do this all the time at my old job when I worked at a farm. I'd put in like strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, like a berry mix, and if you let it just sit in the water for like an hour, even minimally like an hour if you can leave it in longer, it like gives a really nice flavor to the water, and you can eat the berries at the bottom. I don't know, it's a funner way to drink more water. The water will help to kind of keep things flushed. It will help the cramps, it will help the bloating. Water's just really good for you on your period. It will even help with like headaches and stuff, because I know I get headaches on my period every time. But I recently tried lemon and strawberry. It's so good. Make yourself some fruit water. It's a nice little treat, but it just kind of helps things feel better in your body too. I am a huge fan of menstrual cups. I have talked about them several times. They are a game changer. I picked this one up at CVS. It's my new fave. It's the Lily Cup Compact from Intimina. So this is reusable. It comes with a little travel case. So because it's like collapsible and you can put it in your little to-go container, it's easy to bring to work, to school, whatever. Keep it in your bag. It's really compact. And what I love about this is I'm trying to be more mindful of like chemicals in and on my body. It's made of 100% harmless silicone that's totally safe for your body. You don't have to worry about putting anything toxic in your beautiful lady part. A lot of tampons contain, you know, a lot of toxic fragrances and pesticides, rayon, dioxins, bleached cotton, all of that. And that stuff can get absorbed into your body. It's harmful. It's not good. You have no issue with that with this. But the best best part, it makes your life so much easier. You don't have to go in and change your tampon a million times a day. It's got up to 12 hours of nonstop protection. I get mine in size A. They have a size A and a size B, so like before or after you've given birth, so it kind of helps with like the fitting. It fits really, really comfortably. So when you get it to start, all you have to do is dunk it in boiling water for 3 minutes. It's not going to damage the silicone. Look how small this is. It's magical. And it just collapses down. Just doop, doop, doop. Like, look how tiny it gets. It's really, really, it's actually kind of cute. And it can go right in here. Isn't like this little thing super easy to fold up and pop in here. Do you want to hear the most crazy part though? So this does cost around $40, but it can last you up to a decade. That's like $700 worth in tampons. So you will save so much money, so much time. I literally forget I have my period when I have this in. It's so easy to just go through life. And with these other hacks, you'll forget you even have your period. It's really, really good. I love it. 91% of menstrual cup users would recommend it to a friend. And you guys are my friends. 4 out of 5 women make the change from friend suggestions. So this is me to you telling you to give it a try if you haven't tried it yet. I was reluctant at first, but then once I kind of gave it a whirl and saw that it was actually easy and made my life better, I was all about it. And another fun fact, pads and tampons cost $3,000 in a lifetime. That's 12,000 tampons on average for your lifetime. So you'll really, really, really get a lot of use out of this. And it's easy to clean and reuse. It's just magical. It will change your life every single month. Just wanted to show you guys a nice fresh new one. I picked mine up at CVS. You can pick yours up there anywhere across the US, but it's really, really good. So that's a huge, huge period hack that I think a lot of people don't even know about. Like, I didn't even know about it until like last year, and I've been hooked ever since. My friends are too. Lily, if you're watching, I know I got you on board to it. Okay, so another little hack if you're like having some sort of food craving. If you want some Reese's and M&Ms, girl, go get them. Go get them. Cravings are real. But one thing that I really love, if I'm craving chocolate, I'll pick up an intense dark chocolate with a really high percentage of cacao. Is that pronunciation? So this is the Ghirardelli 86% cacao. I think that's how you say it, right? I love this anyway. This is great, great chocolate. When it has that higher percentage of dark chocolate, it has much more like of an antioxidant effect on your body, and it actually kind of gives you a little boost. So if you like dark chocolate, get one with a really high percentage, and I think you'll notice a difference in your feeling. And it also is chocolate. It kills that little bit of craving. You know, pick it up with your peanut M&Ms. Get it all, girl. I also need ice cream. I think it's universal that every woman just needs ice cream when she's on her period. It's some weird craving. Maybe it's just me and my friends, but that period craving of just wanting ice cream is so real. I'm a big fan of Ben & Jerry's Froyo. Half baked, yes, is my favorite. But I also really love this. Guys, I've been talking about Halo Top forever. I buy it literally religiously. The chocolate almond crunch flavor is a new flavor. It's one of my favorites. Black cherry is one of my other favorites. The reason I'm recommending this too though is because it has protein in it. So if you want to just like have ice cream for dinner, this will actually like fill you up, and it tastes really good. It's low calorie, but like regardless, it's your period, who cares? But the fact is it has protein, so it's gonna actually like fill you up. Have ice cream for dinner. This stuff actually fills me up. I'm not gonna lie, on my period and in general, I've had this for dinner before, and it really, really fills me up. It's really good. So if you haven't tried Halo Top yet, try it. One more food. This is a miracle fruit on your period. Guys, I'm not even joking. Bananas kill my cramps. I'm not even joking. My grandma recommended this to me when I was first getting my period. Maybe my mom, maybe both of them. I don't know. It's probably some generational passed down hack. Maybe you already know about it. This probably is just old news and y'all are like, Alex, we know. But by some miracle, maybe you didn't know. Bananas, I am having a brain fart. What is potassium? I'm thinking of biotin. I'm like, that's not right. Oh, girl, wow. Potassium. I think it's the potassium that's in the bananas that really, really helps. So I don't know what it is. I eat a banana or two a day when I have my period, and it just helps my cramps tremendously without medicine even. Like, try this. Try eating bananas on your period and see if it helps your cramps, because I think it's just miraculous. And it's very common, myself included, to get a few breakouts during your period. Of course, one of my favorite products is the Mario Badescu Drying Lotion. So it just comes in this little bottle. It is a little bit pricey, but you will have this for a really long time. You just dip a Q-tip down into the bottom at the bottom product because it all kind of settles. You're not supposed to shake it. Dip a Q-tip down in there and use it as a spot treatment. Put Put it on the night before bed. You will wake up and it will be so much smaller. It dries out pimples so well. I really love this product very much. It's probably my favorite spot treatment that I've ever tried. I've never found something that really dries out my pimple, but this works great for me. I bought this at Urban Outfitters, $17. I know, it seems like a lot, but you will have it for a really long time. So if you're looking for even just a general good acne spot treatment, definitely give that a shot. Oh, I also wanted to talk about this earlier when I was talking about like back pain and stuff. I bought the BioFreeze Professional Soothing Menthol Gel. So it's for arthritis, back pain, sore muscles, and joints. This stuff is awesome if you get like the back pain, the shoulder pain, any sort of kind of muscle ache. I don't know if it's just me getting like muscle cramps and aches when I have my period, but this stuff is really great as well. And lastly, I wanted to talk about my oil diffuser because I feel like we all just kind of get stressed and tired, and we just kind of feel off sometimes when we get our period, and this is really relaxing. So I bought this one. It's from the brand Pure Enrichment. I bought this at like Home Goods or something along with essential oils. I love the lavender. Put this on and just relax. Get in the bath, put a face mask on, put your essential oil diffuser right next to you. Let that aroma get in the air. It really calms your senses. I think it's okay to really take time for yourself when you get your period. Even without your period, you need to have like self-care time. Pamper yourself, and this is a great way to relax and give yourself some comfort. Highly recommend the lavender scent, eucalyptus, peppermint. Those are my favorites. So those are just some of my very favorite products for my period at that time of month. Let me know yours down below in the comments. Let's kind of share some tips and tricks. But I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I really appreciate you guys being here and watching today. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go check out the Lily Cup from Intimina. You can pick it up at your local CVS across the US. I love you guys very much. Bye.